Hi, this is Karen at Snickerdoodle Designs, and today I have a quick tutorial for you on an easy way to create watercolor backgrounds. I am releasing my new Watercolor Overlays 02 pack today, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to use those along with my Colorizers 01 pack. So let's go ahead and close those out. And this is the look we're going for. This is what we're going to end up with by using just these two papers. This is one of the one of the watercolor overlays, and this is one of the colorizer overlays that I have. What I want to do is just put these on the same document, and then we're going to experiment with blend modes. Sometimes you can put a color overlay above the watercolor overlay and experiment with the blend mode of the color. I know by experiments that the overlay is going to look better on top of this colorizer. So that's what I'm going to do. Move that watercolor overlay to the top layer, change the blend mode to soft light, and there you have it, a beautiful watercolor paper. Now it's a little light for me, so I'm going to go ahead and add a levels adjustment by clicking on this levels adjustment icon up here, and then experiment a little bit. I would like a little bit darker, so I'm going to move the middle slider over, and that's going to adjust the mid-tones. And if I bring the far left slider over, that's going to adjust that black point. So I think I'll pull that over a little bit too. I might even bring this over a little bit more. You can see how I'm moving this around, and you can experiment to what looks best for you. I personally like that look, and I would just go ahead and leave it right there. That's how easy it is. I will leave a link in the comment section below so you can find these products and have fun experimenting yourself. Thanks for watching.